Hey you guys, it is a Father's Day project starting already. So in with that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm making 3 Father's Day keychains. I'm gonna put my camera just a little bit more down. So give me a minute. I hope that's good so you guys can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a couple of the keychains. We're gonna set all this up. I'm gonna make sure I have everything I need to execute these keychains. I'm gonna need a couple of these. And let me go get my little kit that helps me out. I need 3 of these. So there you go. Let me grab my little kit. So let me open this up. This is gonna help me execute the keychains. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab some of the tassels. So since it is Father's Day, I wanna do like the blues. You could do any color you want, obviously. I think I'm gonna do these blues because I want it more manly. And since I don't have any more blues, I'll do, I think I'll do the gray. How about that? That looks really good right there. So somebody will get one, somebody will get the other. I'll leave the link down below for my Amazon storefront so you guys can go ahead and check out how I make these. Okay, let's get started. So first, what we need is some transfer tape, of course. Transfer tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the first one. I'm just gonna cut it. How cute is that? And I'm gonna, then I did the dad in the black. I thought in the black it would look really cute, stand out a little more, how they say. So I wanna use, yes, about a little. This is my favorite transfer tape. I will leave the link down below for you guys to use. And let me grab my small. For this one, you need a small scraper. Don't use the big one, even though I have it. I'm gonna use the small one. So the first thing you're gonna do is grab the little disc and you are going to take off the clear. Just like that. And you're gonna do the other side. I know it feels like you're not gonna do it and it's gonna take forever and oh my god. But once you get it, it's really easy. You just pull it. So just do all 3. Just have it ready, guys. Pull it. Do the other side. Use your nails. If you don't have any, use something you can pull it with. And then pull it on this side. And then we're gonna do the same one. We're just gonna take this clear, and it should look really nice. So don't think you have to pull it out. Don't leave it all fuzzy looking. Pull it out. Grab your keychain. Then the first thing you're gonna do is take off your transfer tape. You're gonna pull it. You're gonna apply it right onto, like so. Grab your keychain and we're just gonna add it right onto the top, like so. You're gonna go ahead and get the next one ready and you're just gonna pull it off and it should come off really nice. You're gonna do the next one. Make sure there's no air bubbles. You're gonna pull it. You're going to apply it and make sure there's no air bubbles. You're going to pull it. You're going to get the next one. If you could find it. Perfect. You're going to get rid of all the air bubbles. Okay. You're going to pull it going to add it and get rid of all the air bubbles. Okay. Now we're going to use the same one for the word dad. You can go ahead and change it if that's what you like. I'm using the same one. So I'm going to pull it. I'm going to make sure I grab the word. And then I'm going to go ahead and scrape it. So scrape it as hard as you can. Okay, you're going to pull it. And now for this one, I want you to concentrate and I want you to put it exactly where it goes. Okay, scrape it and then you're going to pull it. And that looks really nice. Okay, let me show you. How does that look? Oh my God, what a cute little keychain you're gonna give a dad. Trust me, they're going to love it. I'm getting sidetracked here. Okay. That looks super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. Make sure you guys scrape it every time you're putting it, just so it looks really nice. And I'm going to add it. And right off the bat, I love how they came out. And pull it. Look how cool this came out. Right? That looks really cool. Okay, so give me a minute. I am going to finish this off and then show you how I exactly am going to package it. So we're going to grab the little clip and I'm just going to add the little tassel onto here. You don't have to add it. You don't want to. I don't think we're going to add these. I don't think we're going to add those. I think we are going to close it up though. So this goes right onto here. And you're going to put it right through the keychain. And then we're going to go ahead and close it up. So right off the bat, I'm just going to show you how I do it. I know sometimes I do it out of camera and then you guys are mad at me. But it's a lot to be doing stuff on the camera. You guys should try one day and film your videos. It's hard work. And then we're just going to close it up. And how cool is that? And just like that, you have a dad keychain. I'm not going to use these. I don't think that dads really like these. I think if I was making one for a mom, she would love one of those tassels. But I don't think they care. You know how they are. Just plain simple. And just say Happy Father's Day and that's it. But these came out super cute. This is a great, affordable DIY. If you guys want to go ahead and make it, let me know how you like it. I just want to make sure I don't rip it. Okay. You just put it right through the thing. It's super easy. If you guys can't make it, have somebody help you. Grab onto the hook, grab onto the other hook, and then just twist it. The thing is to get it to touch. Once it touches, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so how cute are these for dad? So go ahead and make your own. And let me tell you, I am loving them. Let's go ahead and package this up. Now, everything that I'm using, I'm going to link down below on my Amazon front store, like I always do. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this little hole right there. I'm just going to punch it out. Okay. I'm going to grab my keychain. And then you're just supposed to put it like that. I think that's how it goes. But I want mine to kind of go up. I think my keychain is really long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it through this. See if I can fit it through there. No, I probably won't be able to do that. I think it goes like this and then you just... But it's really long, so I kind of want it to go like that. So I think that I'm going to see if I could put it through here. Like that. I know, right? But I like it like this. What do you guys think? I think that looks cute. I mean, it's not all that, but it looks cute. Just because I did it too long, I think the thing's too long. If not, it would have been like that. Wonder if I can just pull it. Probably not. So I think it's gonna have to stay like this. I don't know. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. Maybe I don't need to put it in that thing. And then we're gonna put it in here. Like so. You're just gonna bring it up. Yeah, actually, I think that looks really cute. Okay. How cute is that? We're gonna turn it around. That side, we're gonna take off the tape and we're gonna close it up. What do you guys think? Isn't that adorable? These are gonna be so great for Father's Day. Let me know what you guys think. I love the way they came out. Okay, let's go ahead and do the other two and finish this off. So what are you guys gonna buy for your husband, your dad, your grandpa? Anybody who is a father figure to you? Let me know what you guys are buying. I'm just kind of curious. I know I'm always showing you what I'm doing, but what are you guys doing? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just pass it through here. And I want to kind of stretch it without breaking it like I did. I mean, if I break it, I broke it. Because the keychains are a little long. But I don't think it'll break. I mean, if you want to cut it, cut it. I think I'm going to cut it just a little bit. I don't want it to break, but I do want to cut it just a tad. I don't want it to look awful, but I do want to cut it. And all you have to do is cut it just a tiny bit. That's it. And then bring it up. So that's it. You don't have to cut it a lot. Just a tiny bit. And then you're going to pass it through the thing. Carefully. Without breaking anything. Okay? Once you have it there, just put it as straight as you can. Okay? Like that. When you have it as straight as you want it, you're going to flip it. You're going to take off that tape. And you're going to close it up. And once you close it up, it's going to be in there. And there you go. I have one more to go. And you guys, that's all I'm doing. If you guys know a different way to hold these or put these, because I know it's supposed to be like this, you know. But I think unless I take off a couple of inches off, it's not going to hold it like that. But to each his own. I'm just trying to put it right in the middle. Okay? So I figured this is a good way either way. So let's slide it in here. If you figure out a better way, let me know. And this actually looks really good, you guys. Like professional. Just flip it. Take out the tape. And close it up. And there you go. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna go ahead and make the keychains? I love the way they came out. Happy Father's Day. And until next time, bye you guys.